Hello friends, today I will tell you some interesting facts about Earth that you have barely noticed. So let's start. According to the observations of Earth's surrounding, Earth does not have any magnetic field. Yes, it has a gravitational field and its proof can be seen everywhere on the surface. As we know, radium is a fundamental unit and it colors green. Green is found everywhere in this earth as plants and nature. So it can be imagined that the earth has a radiative field. This radiative field does not work always, but sometimes can be observed at the polar areas as green aurora lights. Magnet has a attraction and a distraction field, and magnet colors is black. But earth does not shows anywhere one of these symptoms. We consider that Earth has a gravitational field because of the phenomenon happens on it. If any object thrown to the upside against the Earth's surface, it quickly comes back to the surface and it happens everywhere in the Earth. According to this, scientists are decided that Earth has a gravity. Even Isaac Newton also put some theories on this gravity long time ago. This gravity cannot be considered as magnetic field. Gravity works only upside and downside, but magnetic field could be in other directions. This is as per observations. Sun has a gravitational force that binds the planets and puts them in the orbit around the sun. This happens because sun is too much massive compared to the planets so that it pulls all the planets into sun's surface direction, where sun's light and its radiations throws them backward into the space. This pullings and pushings keeps the planets to a appropriate distance from the sun. Pullings and pushings sometimes makes the planets rotate around their own axis. This process also work with Earth and Moon. That's why the Moon turns around the Earth without colliding with it. But in case of truth, we need to observe the daily life and the movement of the sun or moon. Without any scope, a human can observe the movement, temperature of the sun and moon, but they cannot understand that the earth really rotates or not. We see the sun rises from Earth's horizon. We call it the east, and the sun sets to the opposite horizon of the earth. We call it west. If we notice, then we will see there is only two direction we have with proof, but we determined other two more directions according to the east and west. We called them north and south. These are called directions. But according to gratitude, we don't know what are the directions and how to determine them. And if you call about magnitude, then you have to take a magnet and a piece of metal and then have to check what is north and what is south. Well, all these are our imaginations only. Nature works on its own rules.